अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज हम सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट साउंड्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। दिस इज़ द लेटर ए. A says a, apple. B says b, ball. C says k, cat. D says d, drum. E says a, elephant. F says fish. G says g, grapes. H says horse. I says igloo. J says jellyfish. K says kite. L says lion. M says mouse. N says needle. O says ostrich. P says penguin. Q says queen. R says rainbow. S says snake. T says tiger. U says umbrella. V says van. W says watermelon. X says X-ray. Y says yo-yo. Z says zebra. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Bolo or Seekho.